Welcome back to Mentor Merlin's YouTube channel, and today we will be talking about an important update you must know about the NMC OSCE blood glucose monitoring station. Well, some NMC OSCE exam centers have now started using the glucose strip sachet instead of the usual glucose strip bottles. This is very important to remember that each sachet contains only one glucose strip. So, what should you do at the OSCE station? During the article collection, always make sure to take 2 glucose strip sachets. Why? Because if the first strip shows an error, you can immediately use the second strip without wasting time or panicking during the exam. Why does this matter? Because most centers will show you the articles before the exam begins, but never assume. Make sure that you always double check that you have both the sachets. This small step can save you from unnecessary stress and help your station run smoothly. At Mentor Merlin, we make sure that you are updated with every small but critical OSCE details so you walk into your exam fully prepared and in confidence. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Mentor Merlin's YouTube channel for more OSCE tips and updates. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.